Guys, today we are replacing the tag lights on the Fusion. The bulb is burned out on this one, and I already broke this piece, so I am going to replace that as well. So I ordered it from carparts.com, and this is how it came. Don't ask me why we got a package this big for literally something that small. In what world does this make sense? Please tell me. Hopefully this isn't broken. That's just ridiculous. Come on, carparts.com. Thought that was pretty funny, so just had to show y'all. All you'll really need is a flathead, and you'll need your light. So, hard to do this one-handed. This is what it looks like. So you're literally going to take your screwdriver, and I broke it. There's a little tab there, and that's how you're going to pop it in and out. And this has a little thing there that you pull, and that's it. It twists out, by the way, not pull. Sorry. And as you can see, that bulb is burnt. See it broken right there in the middle. So we're going to replace it. I recommend using a glove when touching the bulb, especially with a headlight bulb. Alright, so you'll take a hold of the bulb and you'll literally just press it in. And it genuinely just presses in, just like that. Here you can see the little tab that I broke. And I just went ahead and replaced it. It was like 17 bucks on carparts.com. And like I said before, it'll just twist in. See if I can prop this up to show you. 50-50. Huh. Nope, didn't get it. Yeah. So carparts.com sent the wrong one. So now I need to return that. But that is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Little tab's broken, but it sits in there fine. And we will make sure it works real quick. There we go. Carparts.com sent the wrong one for sure. This is not to titanium, this is to the SE. So that's fun. So now we get to check and see how their return policy is. But that is how you change out a tag light on a 2013 Ford Fusion Hybrid Titanium. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll do a couple other videos on the Fusion just for general maintenance and upkeep, and hopefully that'll help somebody who needs the help like I did at some point, and you know, figure it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.